Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I was at my forum here updating the interface board section, and even though I have a first time thread here where what you do, and it's pretty detailed with words and video links, I also decided to come up with an automated troubleshooting / help / setup flowchart. And what this is going to do, now keep in mind this is a work in progress, so I'm going to be updating over time, but what this will do is when you click on this flowchart, it's going to give you a series of, it's going to ask you what type of problem you are having. And then I have, and this will be updated, so there might be more on this list when you actually go to link over time. But it's going to ask you if you're having a Zello problem, date and time, weather, whatever. And if you click on sound, it's going to ask you what type of sound. Well, let's say it's too low. And then it's going to, if you're too low, watch this video. So it's going to, I'm going to try to do it so it's going to have words and a video link. So I know some people like videos, some people like words, some people like both. So I'm going to try to do it both ways if possible. But that's what this is going to be for. It's going to help you find your solution faster than trying to search the forum. So that's what my thought is, at least I hope. And like I said, it's still a work in progress. I'm still fine tuning it. I'm going to get it better. And there's going to, there may or may not be more selections. It just depends on what all I can think of. And that's kind of the reason why I know some of you are probably sick of the interface board videos. And I apologize for that, but there's a reason that I'm doing that, because then I can reference people to that video. So that's why you're seeing these videos more than GMRS videos. And hopefully here shortly I'll be done doing these type of videos, and we can get back to GMRS related stuff. So just kind of hang in there. I know it's, some people, don't want to see those videos, but it's my way of helping people getting the board set up, and then I can reference that video in the future for anyone else that needs to know how to adjust that board or set it up for that matter. So, at any rate, so hopefully this automated flowchart will help you. I'm going to make it as detailed as possible. So, like I said, we'll do as much as I can. I don't know what all I can do on this website. I don't know if I can do pictures or not. Maybe I can't. I'm still kind of playing with this particular flowchart AI site here. So we'll see what I can do with it. Maybe I can't do a lot of pictures. I'm hoping to do words and pictures and video links. That's what I'm hoping to do with this, but I'm still kind of playing with it. So, but anyway, so there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.